I describe my journey in Rapto, Bhara, Jeevan Gurukul as a highly transformative one. Initially, when I entered the Gurukul, I used to struggle with the concepts of Vedic astrology, and I used to struggle while decoding the Vedic charts. But once I graduated, I find both of these things very much easier, and in fact, I'm even able to guide my peers and other students also, which is which shows the kind of transformative journey I have had in terms of knowledge. I am extremely thankful to the faculty. I'm extremely thankful to Dr. Bhavyadeep Bhatia. He's extremely learned, but he will impart the concepts in a very effective manner so that you are able to gain the concept very quickly. They have a unique feature of community classes also, where once you have graduated from the course, you can ask your doubts, and whenever you are decoding charts and whatever doubts you have, you can always approach them in the community class. So these kind of facilities, they might be missing at other places from where you learn the Vedic astrology. Plus they focus a lot on practice. RBJ focuses a lot on practice part, which actually makes you learn the predictive part very quickly and easily. And I still remember one of the doubts that I asked was like, it was the last batch, 9 p.m. to 11 p.m. And while the class was being wrapped off, I asked the doubt. But they patiently, they resolved my doubt. I'm extremely thankful to Dr. Bhavyadeep Bhatia, to Ashok Bhartiya sir, and to Nidhi Gupta ma'am. And I owe this transformative journey to them. Without their support and without RBJ, this kind of transformation would not have been possible. Thank you.